What in the world is quantum tunneling? The concept is that a solid particle can phase right through a solid barrier. However, that should be impossible, so how does it work? Well, in quantum mechanics, the behavior of a particle is described by a wave function. And unlike classical mechanics where we can find the exact path of an object in space, the wave function instead gives us the probability for where the particle can be. Let's say we have a particle traveling towards some barrier. When the particle hits the barrier, the wave function doesn't just disappear, but instead it starts to rapidly decay. And if the barrier is long enough, the wave function will decay to 0 and the particle will effectively bounce off. But if the barrier is thin enough, then some of the wave function will survive and come out the other end, meaning that there is a chance for the particle to appear on the other side. Well, if this is true, then why can't something like my hand pass through something like a table? Well, don't forget, we are talking about a single particle, for example, an electron, and my hand contains roughly around 10 to the 28th electrons. Even if we assume that the chance of a single electron passing through the table is 50%, the chance of all the electrons in my hand tunneling at the same time looks something like this. A number so small, it's basically 0.